Meaning of inoperable.
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 Inoperable. The term inoperable refers to a medical condition or situation in which a surgical procedure cannot be performed or would not be effective. It usually implies that the patient's condition is too advanced or complicated for a successful outcome. Inoperable conditions can range from cancerous tumors that cannot be safely removed to severe arterial blockages that cannot be repaired through surgery. In such cases, alternative treatments like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or palliative care may be recommended. Overall, an inoperable condition implies limited treatment options and a need for careful management of symptoms and pain.